Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and safe and enjoyed your holidays. Now, from today, children, we will resume our online classes. We will start with our new lesson in political science. Your copies should be ready to write down the important notes. Okay. First, just tell me, can you identify this building? Look carefully. Yes, those who are guessing it to be the Supreme Court of India, you are right. This is the Supreme Court of India. Children, I hope you all know that this is the highest judiciary body of our country. Clear? Okay. Another question for you all that you will find it out is that who is the present Chief Justice of India? You have to find it out, and in the next class I'll ask the answer for this. Who is the present Chief Justice of India? Clear? Now, children, just tell me one thing. You must have come across in the newspaper. It gives a glimpse of the range of work done by the courts in our country. But why do we need these courts, children? Just think of this. We all know, children, that courts, they take decisions on a large number of issues, right? Judiciary, children, it's a very important organ. If you remember, in the first chapter we read about separation of powers. There are 3 organs of the government. Remember? Write down, those who can write the answer, write down what are the 3 organs of the government. Hurry up. Legislature, executive and judiciary. In the first chapter, when we read about the features of constitution, there I explained you about separation of powers among these 3 organs. Legislature, the law making organ, executive that implements those laws, and judiciary that will decide or resolve the disputes. Okay. Now, children, judiciary, I want everyone to note down the important things. The 3 organs of the government that you will note down: legislature, executive and judiciary. Clear? You can go back to first chapter, and in there separation of powers it is given. Now, children, judiciary is very important. Please write down. Very important organ of the government, as it acts as the protector against the possible excesses of legislative and executive. That means it protects the legislative body or the executive body to not cross their limits or go beyond their limits. And it protects the citizens. If any of the fundamental rights is violated, people can approach to the court. We have studied this also. Another thing, children, cases needs to be decided fairly, that we all know. We need to keep the constitutional ideals in our mind. So cases need to be decided fairly and in accordance with law. Then, children, I explained you that rule of law exists in India. What is rule of law? Hurry up, please note down in the copy. And those who know can start writing what is rule of law. Yes, laws apply equally to all persons, and that a certain set of fixed procedure has to be followed when a law is violated. Violated is disobeyed. Clear? Now, children, this rule of law cannot be enforced without the judicial system. So we need this